My name is Ssemanda Official, and this video I'm going to be showing you how to access your students portal, activate your webmail, and also activate your MUELE. This video is for only students that are joining Makerere University. Makerere University, only students that are joining Makerere University, or it only applies for students joining Makerere University. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you details on how to actually access your students portal, activate your webmail, and also activate your MUELE. Let's head into the video. Feel free to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification button for more of these videos. My YouTube channel has many things. I do live streaming, I do search videos, and I do a little bit of comedy in the short section. Let's head into our video of today.
Welcome to Makerere University. It's a very good university. I'm in my second year. And to actually access your students portal, you have to have applied for Makerere University when you had just finished your senior 6. You applied, you sent an application, all those things. I bet you did those things. And by now you have to access your students portal, because first of all you have to first access your students portal before you go on to MUELE, then your webmail. So you go check the email that you attached to your document when you applied, and you go check that email. You check if you received a message, if actually Makerere University accepted your application and accepted you as the student. You go check your email. You will see a message from Makerere University with a link to your students portal and a password that a default password that they have given you, of which you will change that password later on. When you tap on that link, it takes you direct to the students portal, whereby you put in your students number or students number or students registration number or student number. Then you put that password that they've given you, a default password that they've given you. After that, you will log into your student's account. Then in your student's account, you will be able to actually change the password to the password that you want, because the password that they will give you at first, it will be a default password, but you change it to a password that you feel you want. So after changing that password, they will send you a link, like normal procedures of changing a password in all platforms. The normal procedure, they will send you a code. The normal password, the normal procedures, they will send you a code to your email. But keep in mind, they're going to be referencing to the email that you used when you're applying for Makerere University. You're going to need that email very, very much. And after that, you head to the part of your webmail. For the part of your webmail, I'll be showing you my screen. I didn't show you the screen about my students account or students portal, because my account's already activated and I'm already a student of Makerere University. So some things won't be the same as a person who has just joined Makerere University. It won't be the same as a fresher. It won't be the same as a person just joined Makerere University. So for this part of the webmail, I'll be showing you my screen and what to do and what not to do. Let's head into the video.
So you head you head to this site. It's sso.mak.ac.ug. So on this site is where you're going to find your webmail. You go to this site that shows here, MAK AUTH webmail manager. You just tap on this. So here they will bring you two options. There's option of students account and staff account. Obviously, you're going to tap on the students account. For those that are, remember, this video is mostly for freshers that have just joined Makerere University, and I want to point out that it's focusing on Makerere University students, only the students that have just joined Makerere University. not Makerere Business University. No, I'm meaning Makerere University, the main university, Makerere University. There are two options here. They're saying activate my MUELE account, change or recover my password. Since you're just creating your webmail account, you tap on activate. So here there are some important information they're giving you. You read through that information. Basically, they're giving you guidelines on how you're going to put in this information down here. Because they're telling you they're telling you two options. They're telling you first step, enter a valid student and registration number combination below to get started. The difference between the student's number and the registration number. The student's number is that number that has no slash. To put it in simple terms, there's no slash. But then the registration number is one that has the slashes, the if, the p, the ps, those things. But keep in mind, you have to write all these numbers without spaces, because here we are giving clear instruction without spaces, here also without spaces. So here you put your student's number, here you put your registration number. I won't be putting my registration number because already my webmail is already activated. It's already running and activated. So you'll be putting your student's number here and your registration number there. When you tap on submit details, they will send you a message via your email. The same email that you used to to apply for Makerere, the same email that we used earlier on the students portal is the same email that will send this information. So they will send you a message, then you follow those instructions, and when you follow those instructions, most cases they will send a link or code that will take you direct to the webmail, which will give you access to also activate your MUELE, because most cases your MUELE needs you to be having a webmail, because MUELE is more attached to the webmail. If you don't have a webmail, it will be, if your webmail is not activated, it will be kind of hard for you to actually access your MUELE if your webmail is not activated. So that is it for this video. This video is a little bit short because these are simple steps on how to activate your student's account, your webmail, and MUELE. So if you still have some difficulties or still have some question, you can drop a comment. I will see if I can make another video explaining some difficulties if some of you have gotten some difficulties. And you're welcome to Makerere University. You've made a nice decision of joining Makerere University. So if you have any complaint or any difficulties regarding registering for MUELE or registering for or enrolling, and another thing I forgot to say this at first, when you activate your students portal, you have to enroll in your students portal. If you also have some difficulties in enrolling and registering, you also leave a comment. I can make a simple video about that. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also I make this kind of content, and also I do some little bit of live gaming. I do like live gaming, live streaming of different games, and also I do a little bit of POV comedy in the section of shorts. I do the same content on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Feel free to also follow those platforms. If this video was helpful, feel free to subscribe. Tap on that thumbs up, and tap on the notification button to get these such videos, not to miss out on such videos. Thank you for watching.